Hello, beautiful people. My name is Monica Dubey, and my mission in life is to transform 10,000 lives with the help of my manifestation and meditation courses in coming 2 years. So, have you ever wondered why your affirmations and manifestations are not working? So, let me tell you the reason. What happens is you set the affirmations and manifestations, you do everything. You make you do water bottle techniques, you do all the kind of techniques you do. Okay, you write your affirmations and do everything, but the thing is that in your subconscious mind you have still not got the belief. You have not developed the belief for whatever actions you are taking. So until and unless you have complete belief in what you are doing, your subconscious mind is emitting negative vibrations into the universe, and that way you are cancelling the chances of your manifestation. So even once see, if just imagine, when you say it is not possible or you cannot do it, it manifests immediately. So you can understand how powerful each and every thought of yours is. That once you said that it cannot happen, it does not happen. But once you say with the same conviction that yes, it will happen, there is no chance that that thing will not happen. It all depends on your firm belief, because there are many people and there are many miracles in this world which have happened. There have been bedridden people who have just used the law of attraction and they have recovered their health back. There are many examples. You can search it in the internet. Okay, so it's very important for you to train your brain for all these positivities. So let me give you one hack today. I will give you one hack what you can do. So whatever your affirmation is, just record that affirmation. Okay, just record those affirmations and do first thing in the morning. Play those affirmations like your alarm. Okay, so record your affirmations, and whether you get up at 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or 5 o'clock, whatever time in the morning you get up, set that alarm. Okay, so that once you set it as an alarm, as soon as you wake up, or anyways the alarm is going to ring before you wake up, so that is the first thing you're going to hear. Okay, so once you hear that, that belief will start, your subconscious mind will start rewiring. Okay, and in the beginning what you do, in for the first time, listen to this in the night and then sleep. Okay, because when you listen to something in the night and then sleep, chances are that you will wake up in the same thought. So listen to the same affirmations which you have set as alarm the previous night and then sleep. Okay, and when you wake up in the morning with the same alarm, you will sleep slowly, your vibrations will start raising, and your affirmation, your belief system will start becoming stronger and stronger. All right, so do this, and please let me know in the comment box how much it helps you, because there are many of my friends and students who have been benefited by this technique. All right, thank you, have a nice day, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And my mission in life is to transform 10,000 lives with help of my manifestation and meditation courses. So please try to share it as much as possible.